Evening, Louis. So again, mate, there's never really a lot for us to talk about, is there? Really? Because we tend to chat a bit in the gym and bits and pieces and keep in touch during the week. But I thought I'd check in today. Everything was good during the week. Uh, just back to usual, mate. Really. The only session I didn't get in this week was my pool session. So I trained Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I believe. I didn't get to train over the weekend. Um, Yesterday was out and about all day, and today is Father's Day, so I've literally just got back from a bit of food with the old man. So I had a bit of a day off today and had a big old slap up roast dinner, which was nice. But yeah, I still haven't managed to weigh myself, mate. I still need to sort these bloody scales out. Um, so I really don't know what I weigh at the minute, which isn't ideal. And I haven't had a chance to take any photos. I won't do any now because I've just shoved a fat roast down my face. So I probably won't have time first thing tomorrow because I've got to be up and out by about 5, 6 tomorrow. So I'll try and get some done one day during the week and get them uploaded just so we can see. Because the last couple of weeks haven't been great, really, have they? Sort of tracking wise. I've still been tracking everything, but I know we had a bit of an accidental deload. Um, and I haven't taken any photos for a couple of weeks and I haven't weighed myself really properly for a couple of weeks. So we probably don't quite know where we stand, but other than that, everything's fine. I struggled again a little bit with my push day this week. Again, my dumbbell chest press was pretty poor compared to what it was before that deload. So I don't know if I think what I might do is just drop the weight for the first set. I don't know if it's all just down to the deload. Um, but I could feel my shoulder again quite bad, to be honest, during my push session. That's just something I'm going to have to just manage and deal with, mate, 'cause I don't think it's ever going to go away. So, other than that, everything's been all good. I even managed to increase my protein a little bit this week. I started taking a little bit of extra chicken to work with me to have sort of mid morning because I do find that I get quite hungry at that point. So I took that just up a bit, which I might try and carry that on just for the next 6 weeks. As I've only got 6 weeks left of bulking, so I really want to try and maximise it. Um, the only thing I was going to ask this week, if because this is the last 6 weeks, do we need to change anything? Do we need to? I don't know. Do we need to sort of look and see where we are? Maybe just use the last 6 weeks to focus on certain bits that we think are still a bit weak, or just carry on as normal. I'll obviously take your advice on that and go with whatever you say. If you think we're good to just stick at what we're doing, then that's cool with me. Other than that, I don't really think there's a lot else to go over really today, mate. To be honest, I'll just keep cracking on as normal. Um, yeah, hopefully I'll get in the gym tomorrow. If tomorrow's not too much of a long day, but it's the England game at 7, so I do want to be home for that. But I will try to get to the gym tomorrow. I really do need to because obviously I haven't trained Saturday and today, so I'll try and get in tomorrow. First one I'll do is the pull session, and then it will just be sort of starting a cycle again. So I don't really think there's anything else for me to report anyway, other than I know I do need to sort this my scales out, mate. I know I really need to get on that because at the minute we just don't really know where we are with weight. I mean, I was hoping I'd get to over 80 kilos. I've got to be honest. While we were bulking, I know it's not always great to just chase numbers, but that was kind of what I had in mind, that I wanted to get over 80, and I think I'm only about 78 still, 78 and a half. So I haven't put on, weight wise, I don't think I've put on loads, but then I know I haven't gained too much excess fat this time around on this bulk. But yeah, I mean, mate, have a look over everything, all of the spreadsheets and stuff, and see if there's, if you think we maybe haven't quite gained enough, if there's any areas I can improve on in the last 6 weeks. Um, yeah, it's only 6 weeks to go. I know 6 weeks isn't really long enough. I don't know if we change something, I don't know if it's long enough for it to make any real difference. But I will take your advice. If you just say we'll keep going as we are, then that's fine. Um, yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Let me know if you think of something that we needed to discuss today, or because we're getting towards the end of the boat, and just let me know, and we can either just exchange a couple of voice notes or say, mate, if you think there's anything else that we need to go over. But other than that, I will probably see you during the week at some point. And yeah, just get back to me as and when you get 5 minutes. Cheers, Louis.